install R, there will be two icons available to you for R created on the desktop and confirming the installation of R. Let's talk about RStudio now, how to use it. RStudio is an integrated development environment that allows you to interact with R more readily. RStudio is similar to standard R GUI, but it is considerably more user friendly. So this is how your RStudio will look like. But initially, when you will open RStudio, it comprises of three windows. So first window is the console window. Next will be the environment and history window, and last will be the file, plot, package, and help window. To open the fourth window, it will be the source or the script window. So let's go to R and let's see. So here you can see this is the first window we were talking about. It is the console area. Then this part here is here it is the console area. It is the environment and history area, and this is the file, plot, and package area. So as you can see, my packages of my R version is an old version. I installed it earlier. I will have to update it. So if you want to update RStudio and R version, you will have to download it again, going to the same link that we used initially to download our R. Once you have installed it again, you will be seeing the new version name here. So let's get introduction of RStudio. First thing is, whenever you are starting a RStudio, you will need a project. So you should always create a folder for R, wherein your all the projects will be saved. Like I am using R code here. The project that I am using is R code. You can always create a new project. Then you can go to new directory and new project. So you will be mentioning a name here. So you can mention any name, like if you are starting your R, you can say R file. So just browse it where you want to save this subdirectory and create project, and you will be switched to that new project once you have created that. So you can see I have created a new project here with name R file, within which only one file is, it is the default file that will be saved to your folder of this project. Then this file area here, what does it show? It will show you all the files that will be included or created in your project. Then there is plot. Whenever you will be building a new plot, it will be showing up here. It will automatically open this window. R will automatically open this window whenever you were running that command to build a plot. Then the package, each and every package that you will be installing, it will be saved here in the libraries wherein your R is saved. You can install a package using this tab install. You can write a package name here, like if the package is this, you will get a list of package. You can write that name and just press install. If you want to update it, you can click update here. Your packages will be updated. Packrat, this option will help you to create a new package from your site to the CRAN. It should be up to the policies of CRAN in order to update a new package. Then there is help. So help provides you with any of the function, or if you want any information regarding a function or a package, you can always just question mark here and write any of the functions. Like if I want mean, to know what is mean, so you can see help is provided from R, that mean is the generic function for the arithmetic mean. So this is kind of help. It will provide you with the function that you can use in R. It will give you examples also, so that you can get a full knowledge about arithmetic mean in R. Then there is viewer. Viewer, it is a web browser inside our RStudio. It is generally used for Java or HTML scripts. Then there is environment. Environment here, it helps to environment. It is the area where the variable or whichever command you will be typing in your console or script area, it will be saved in environment. So it is for the current session you are doing. And history, it will save all the previous old commands that you have executed from console or the script area. It will save each and every command that you have mentioned. Then connections help you to it is used to connect R to other database servers like SQL server or MS Access server or Hadoop server. You can connect the servers with RStudio here. Then there is console and there is a script. So how do we open this fourth window? You can either go to file and new file R script. The keyboard shortcut is Control Shift N, or there is a button here. You can see that we need to add a new R script. So you can see a new window has been opened up here. So this is the script area and this is the console. You can either write your code in the console or in script. Once you are writing a code here, suppose I said save value 1 in X. So whenever you want to execute a command, just control and enter. The output will be shown on console. You can also write a command on console, then also it will be saved. How can you see these variables are saved? You can check environment here and you can see there are two variables that we just created, one from the script area and one from the console area. So this is environment, and history will show you all the commands in that session and from the previous session also. If you want to save this file, there is a save button here. It will save your current document, and if there are multiple files open, you can always use Control Alt S or press this button to save all the open documents. Then the other things that you should know about RStudio are in the code area. You can see there are shortcuts, keyboard shortcuts that you can use, like if you want to comment a line. So what is comment or uncomment a line? You can select Control Shift C to comment that line. Suppose you do not want to run this code, you have a error, or it is telling you about that line, like suppose to comment that, you just put a hash sign before it and you can write about it, like creating a variable. So it will not run this part. Or if like I comment this part, like I wanted C equal to 3, I do not want to execute this command, I can just comment it. It will not, R will not run this command. There will be, you can see in the environment, no C variable has been created wherein the 3 value is saved. So because we have commented it. So this is how there are different shortcuts you can always use in RStudio. View also tells us about different panes and different tabs that you can switch to using keyboard shortcuts. Then there is an option called panes here. So this is the first pane, second pane, third pane, and the fourth pane. If you want to change the layout of these pane, you can always use view here and go to panes, and there is an option show all panes. In this case, all the panes are visible. If you say console on left, so you can see our console areas on left. If you want your console to be in the parallel in the right side, just click it and you can see our console has been shifted to the right side. Then there is plots sessions. Whenever if your R is not responding, if there is any error or your codes are not running properly, either you can restart R here. So restart will not change your codes, or it will not close your files at that current session. It will just restart your R, but you will have to run your codes again. Or you can terminate R session, wherein your session will be terminated and you will have to start again. You can set your directory, like if there is any different project, you can go to that directory from here. And if you want a new session to be started all the way along, then you can click new session. Then there is tools. So now this is important thing that I am telling you. Here you can use install packages from here also. If there is any package update, you can check here. Then there is this global options. Just go to global options. Then there is general commands. These are the setups that you can do to your RStudio. Just go to code here, and you should always select soft wrap for your source files. What does this soft wrap do? If your code is lengthy, if it is very long code, if you and you have not tick marked it here, it will look messy. It will be not available in the whole area of this script area. But if you soft wrap your R files, what will happen is it will come to the next line automatically once it reaches the end of your pane. So it is helps you to look make your outlook of R better. Then there is appearance. So you can always change the appearance of your R. Like I have selected Lucida console here. What you can choose different type of layout for your RStudio. Like if I use generally in today's time, people using black layouts, dark layouts, that I mean to say, because more it is more soothing to your eyes. Like if you want a white background, you can use this kind of layouts wherein your background is of white. If I apply this, so you can see all of my layout has been changed to white. Let me select my previous one. So I'm not applying this layout. Let's change it. So, and then there is help. So help is also very essential to understand. So if you want any of the help regarding R, you can just click here. About RStudio, you can check here. If there is any update of R, you can just check. It will give you a window wherein you can see RStudio. This is now available. I am using a previous one. So just you can either do it right now or just say remind me later. Then there is cheat sheets. So cheat sheets are very important. There is option to browse cheat sheets also. It will take you to a URL where you can download each of the cheat sheet. Cheat sheets are having functions for that package that will help you to understand a whole of the package involved in that cheat sheet. So this is all about RStudio. We'll go ahead and write different codes and study different techniques involved in R.